Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open a PS5 controller. Just note that disassembling your PS5 controller may void your warranty and risks damaging internal components. Only attempt this if you're confident and the warranty has expired. Firstly, always unplug your PS5 before working on the controller to avoid accidental turn-ons or the electric discharge. Firstly, use a spudger tool or pry tool. Start at the bottom corners and gently lift up the black plastic ring surrounding the thumbsticks. Work your way around the edges to remove the ring. Now slide the pry tool between the R1 and L1 and their corresponding triggers. Gently push toward the triggers to pop the bumpers off. Now remove the 4 screws in total. 2 are located under the R and L buttons and 2 are on the bottom of the controller handles. You can use a small Phillips screwdriver. Now find 2 clips near the mic and USB-C charging port. Use your pry tool to release those clips. Then trace along both sides to loosen the seams. Flip the controller face down and gently lift the lower faceplate upward, angling it towards the triggers. Gently lift the gray battery and use tweezers to unplug the connector on the right side. Always grip the connector, not the wires. Now unscrew the single screws securing the black plastic holder and gently disconnect the ribbon cable attached to the built-in mic at the bottom. Carefully lift the battery holder out and use slow, even pressure to avoid tearing the ribbon cable. Now 4 ribbon cables connect to the motherboard, 2 on the sides and 1 at the top, 1 smaller one at the bottom. Use tweezers to release each ribbon from its clip and lift the motherboard up and flip it over gently. Now simply pull upward the caps to remove them from the stick modules underneath and keep all your screws and buttons organized. A magnetic tray helps a lot. When reassembling, reverse the steps carefully, making sure every ribbon cable and connector is snug and secure. If something feels stuck, don't force it. Double check for hidden screws or clips. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.